Hey guys, in this video I will be talking about how much water you should be taking on a hike, as well as some tips on how to prevent dehydration. So let's get into it. The amount of water that you will need on a hike is going to depend on a couple of things. Everyone's body is different, so your average water intake needs are going to vary. The length and the duration and the weather that you're going on a hike is also going to play a role in how much water you should take. A good starting point is to take half a liter or 16 ounces for every hour that you'll be on a moderate hike. Now, for a more strenuous hike, it's a good recommendation to take 1 liter or 32 ounces for every 1 hour that you'll be on the hike. And again, this is going to depend more on the weather, how strenuous the activity is, and everyone's just different body needs. Bonus tip is to always take more water than you think that you will need. Not every hike that you go on is going to have fountains or access to clean water, and some hikes that do have access to clean water might not have it year round. So it's always a good idea to take more water than you think you'll need. Now let's get into the tips. The first tip actually starts the day before your hike. It's a good idea to not consume any alcohol. Alcohol in general can be really dehydrating, and it can take more than just a night or a day to replenish the hydration that your body lost. So give your body a good head start by not drinking any alcohol before your hike. Save the beers for after the hike. Tip number 2 is to drink 16 to 20 ounces of water at least 2 hours before your hike. 16 ounces is the average water bottle that you can buy at the store, so it's pretty easy to drink it maybe on your drive to the hike. Tip number 3 is to keep your water handy. You are more likely to drink your water if you don't have to stop and dig through your backpack and struggle to drink your water. Some easy ways to make your water more accessible is to carry a water bottle with a sip straw. You can also use a hydration pack that has a straw that usually clips onto the bag and just makes it really easy to drink your water. Tip number 4 is to sip water throughout your hike instead of waiting until you're thirsty and chugging all of the water that you have. Along with trying to avoid maybe an upset stomach, by drinking your water slowly, slipping it throughout your hike, your body's more likely to be able to absorb it and keep you more hydrated. Tip number 5 is to replenish your electrolytes. Now, when you are hiking and you're sweating out a lot of your electrolytes, which is what prevents you from getting tired, being fatigued, muscle cramps. One of the ways that you can replenish some of these electrolytes is by drinking a sports drink. You can also take some electrolyte powders that you can mix into a water bottle. Another way to replenish some of your electrolytes is by the food and the snacks that you take. A lot of the snacks and foods will have salts and minerals that are going to help replenish your electrolytes. We will be having a video on some of our favorite snacks, so make sure you stick around to check that one out. And tip number 6 is to keep hydrating after your hike. Now, even though you might not feel thirsty, it's really important, again, to continue to replenish some of the electrolytes that you lost on your hike. One of the ways that we like to do this is by keeping a cooler in our car with some coconut water. We usually drink it right as we get to the car, and we'll finish it by the time that we drive home. So that's just an easy way to kind of replenish your electrolytes after the hike. So those are just a few tips on how much water to take on your hike and some things that you can do to try to prevent from getting dehydrated. If you have any hydration tips that maybe we didn't mention, please let us know in the comment section down below. We would love to hear from you. Again, thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.